another episode of Vibes by Vanessa, walkthrough edition. This is going to be an update of my fitness planner. I've just been all over the place with all of my planners, still trying to get used to it, still trying to figure out what exactly I want to do with my weekly layouts. So here's an update of what I got going on. We're now into March. Started this back in January. See, I didn't even fill this part out yet, but don't mind me. All right, so how I decided to do this was I'm doing it based kind of like on a journal type planning. So there's nothing here right now, which technically I could fill this out now because it is currently Monday. So each day I'm going to fill in what I ate throughout the day. Only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday and Sunday I'm all over the place, so I don't really count those days. I specifically like to know and track what I'm doing throughout the week. This portion is for exercise. So I started a challenge which is called the F45 challenge, which is a gym out here in San Diego, and I think they have it in other areas as well, and it's a circuit training workout. So there was a promo on Groupon for $23 for the whole month. You could go unlimited amount of times, and yeah, it's pretty dope. It's only 45 minutes, with the exception of weekends it's 60 minutes. So I decided I was going to dedicate 3 days out the week to do the workout, and then 2 of the other days would consist of cardio and yoga. I would love to do both on both days, but the way my schedule works out with work, that's kind of tricky. For the weekly goals, I just basically put down my just a little quote, and you can't really see this. The lighting is not doing it justice, but it says steps, floors, miles, cals for calories, and minutes. And this portion says total calories, but instead I decided to cover it up with a step sticker and just record my total steps, and then I'll implement it here. I have a Fitbit, this is the Versa, so I can find out through my phone, through the app, what the amount of each of these are. And then notes, I put another sticker. Water totals, my goal is to drink at least 75 ounces a day. I know 75 is weird, but the reason for that is because I got this cool water bottle that's shaped as a dumbbell. I'll see if I can bring it and show it later on in the video. But yeah, so that is 75 ounces. So instead of overwhelming myself by saying, okay, I gotta drink a gallon, and even then, not everybody needs to drink a gallon. They say you're technically supposed to drink half of your body weight. Anywho, that's 75 ounces. So I decided if I can at least finish that, I'll be good. So I filled these out, and I just marked these kind of like as 10. So 10 ounces per circle, so obviously half is 5, so that's how I hit my 75. I covered this up and put a water total because my water intake on the weekends isn't the same as it is during the weekdays. Yeah, that's just the way my life is set up. So yeah, so these are the type of workouts that I have. So one is called the Foxtrot, the other one's Docklands, and this is Brixton. This is my favorite one so far because that one has kind of like a boxing feel. So there's boxing and kickboxing implemented into this workout, and it's just so dope. So an example of what this would look like filled out would be like last week. So as you can see, I'm trying to do the whole little color scheme, you know, it's so cute. I'm trying, you know. So this is how it would look. I covered this up with steps total. But yeah, so this is how it looks: steps, floors, miles, cals, minutes, quote, step totals. And yeah, so here's my workouts. Here's my water total: 75, 75, 60, 75, 100. So a total of 385 ounces last week. And I tried to fill it out as much as I can. Sometimes I didn't have snacks, sometimes I did. And I know you probably thinking, why is this girl over here eating pizza? I am not holding nothing back. Anything that I do eat, I'm going to hold myself accountable, so I'm going to put on here. I'm not going to fake the fun to myself or anybody else for that matter. So yes, I ate pizza twice. maybe 3 times this. Don't judge me, okay? Last week was a lot of celebrations. And then I ate a donut, tacos, but I also did meal prep, so I did eat my grapefruit celery, 2 hard-boiled eggs. I had my chicken, my shrimp, my steak, sweet potato, asparagus, green beans. So I was eating healthy. I do believe there's a balance, you know what I mean? So this is how it looked like filled out. Yeah, so this was a really quick one, but this is how I decided to do my weekly layout. Let's go back to February. It was horrible for me. No, I kind of did it. This is actually how I did it last time. I tried it out. So calorie total, I left this the calories. And then this, I actually was hitting the weights. So this was before the challenge. Rest day. Water intake. And I put steps on the bottom. So I did that. So I was getting a little better. Back in January, that one wasn't too good. I think I showed you an example of how I did January. If I can find something. This January? This is still February. See, I'm tripping. I haven't put no progress selfie. See, like I really want the next 3 months, I definitely want to focus more on actually filling it out properly and just really, you know, getting my money's worth for all of these planners. So see, my monthly layout, I, you know, had something set. I actually saw a cool monthly layout. I can't remember who it was, which vlogger that I seen, which YouTuber I seen, but hers was pretty dope, so I might take that and try that out for my monthly portion. But yeah, so this was the start. You know, obviously it wasn't so good, but I've always decided that I wanted to do the journal style weekly layout. So there's a lot more going on. I was actually putting my weight. Actually, I don't care if you see my weight, but yes. I was putting my weight each week. No, I didn't. Just for the month. And I did exactly what I did for each workout, whether it be cardio day, leg day, arm day. Yeah, and this one I started implementing the food stickers. How I'm feeling. I think I want to continue doing this, so the next time I'm going to add this. I had put my water goal is 300 ounces. Yeah, so this is a little different, but yeah, as you can see, I've gotten better, and I'm really excited that I can actually say that I'm starting to get the hang of this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this, if you needed ideas and suggestions on, you know, how to do your weekly layout, this is a perfect example of it. You may like it, you may not, I don't know, but just a suggestion. It's whatever works for you. This clearly works for me once I actually sit down and do it. But yeah, leave any comments, questions, concerns, which stickers I use, which sticker books I use. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please share, please comment, please hit that bell notification so that you can see what my next videos is about. That's all I had to say. Hope you liked it. That's it. Peace. Tell me this is not dope. This is awesome, isn't it? Okay, that's all I have to say. Have a good one. Bye.